The exercise 4.1 question number 1, 2x plus 3 is equal to 13. We will solve this question by the method simultaneous operation on the both sides of an equation. In order to solve this question, here we can see that the equation is 2x plus 3 is equal to 13. Here we have to isolate, we have to separate this variable. That means this variable should not be contain any numeral value with it. For this, let us solve this. Multiplying by 2 on both sides. We have 4x plus 6 is equal to 26. Now, our new equation become 4x plus 6 is equal to 10 is equal to 26. Here we can see that the x contain 4 as well as 6. Now, subtracting 6 on both sides, we have, then write subtract 6 on both sides. 4x plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 26 minus 6. We have 4x plus 0 is equal to 20. Again, now this is equal to 4x is equal to 20. Here we can see that the variable x contain 4. To remove this 4, divide the both sides by 4. So divide by 4 on both sides. We have 4x upon 4 is equal to 20 upon 4. This gives x is equal to 5, which is the required solution of the given problem. I hope you understand everything very much. Now, let us see another question, another difficult question. If any difficult equation came in the examination, then how will you solve it? I will give you some new idea. So let us see. Okay, the given question is 6 is equal to 3 multiplied by a minus 3. Now, to solve this by the simultaneous operation on the both sides of the given equation. To solve this question, first of all, we have to divide the both sides by the number 3. So, right here, dividing by 3 on both sides, we get 6 upon 3 is equal to 3a minus 3 upon 3. This is the single quantity. This is the single quantity because a minus 3 whole multiplied by 3. That is why this is the single quantity. So it become divided by 3 like this. Now we have 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. Here 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. So we have 2 is equal to a minus 3. Now this equation become our like previous equation. So we can also write this equation like this: a minus 3 is equal to 2. Now in order to isolate this variable a, we have to add in 3 on the both side. Why we need to add 3? In other question we have subtracting. Here we have to add, because the given constant is minus 3. So to making this minus 3 is equal to 0, we need to add here 3. In order to remain unchanged the value of the equation, we need to add in 3 on the both side, which follow the method of simultaneous operation on the both side. That is why adding 3 on the both side. On both sides, we get a minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 2 plus 3. We get a plus 0. A minus 0 is equal to 2 plus 3, 5. This implies a is equal to 5, which is the required answer. This is the method to solving the linear equation in one variable by simultaneous operation on the both side of the equation. I hope you get everything very much. Okay, so write the question in your given book. You will solve the question from the exercise 4.1 on the page number 48, all the question. If you have any problem, then you can go to the comment section and comment which question you need to explain. Let us see the next method, that is the transposition method or transforming method. What is the transposition method? Let us see this. Okay. The new method is transposition method or transferring method. What is the transposition method? In this method, the process of transferring the algebraic terms from left hand side to right hand side is called transposition or transferring. We can, let us suppose that a linear equation x plus 5 is equal to 2x minus 9. This is the linear equation in one variable. Here we have to transfer the algebraic term, that is the literal term or variable term, in one side and the constant term in another side. That is, we have to transfer 2 on the left hand side and transferring 5 on the right hand side. Then this method is called transferring method or transposition method. In order to transposition or transformation, the sign of the quantity become changed when it cross the sign equal. That is, this is the left hand side and going to the right hand side. Addition become subtraction. Subtraction become addition. Multiplication become division, and division when goes to right hand side from left hand side become multiplication. In the method of transposition, these signs are changed when we cross from left hand side to right hand side and vice versa. So let us see the example, the given example in the method. 2x plus 3 is equal to 13. This is the given question, and let us solve this question by transferring method or transposition method. How we have to solve this? Here we can see that in the equation there is only one term which is the variable, that is 2x, and all other terms are constant. So here we need to transfer only constant term from left hand side to right hand side, and the value 2x remain same. Here we get 2x is equal to 13 minus 3. Why? Here we can see that the 3 is positive, and we know that when a positive quantity goes from left hand side to right hand side, it becomes negative. So when 3 goes to right hand side, the sign plus become changed into minus. So we have 2x is equal to 13 minus 3 is equal to 10. And this again, here we can see that 2 is multiplied in x. 2 is multiplied in x. So when 2 goes to right hand side from left hand side, its sign become also changed. As we know that when multiply goes to right hand side or goes to left hand side from right hand side, it becomes into divided. So we have x is equal to 10 divided over 2. We get x is equal to 5, which is our required solution of the given question. Now let us check the answer. Check. Why we need to check our answer? Because the value of the variable, that is the solution of the linear equation, is true or not. By going this process, we can check our answer is right or wrong. So let us see that the given equation is 2x plus 3 is equal to 30. Put x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 is the solution of the given question. So we have 2 multiplied by 5 plus 3 is equal to 30. 10 plus 3 is equal to 13, or 13 is equal to 13. This implies left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we can say that the solution of our equation is true. Okay? If you have, I hope you have no problem in this solution. Okay? Let us see next question. Here the given question is 5a plus 7 is equal to minus 5 minus a. Here we can see that both side, left hand side and right hand side, both side have constant as well as a known quantity, that is the variable, and the variable is denoted here by a. So here we need to transfer the variable quantity in other side and the constant quantity in another side. So we write this 5a. Here we can see that minus a. When negative sign goes from left to right or right to left, it becomes positive sign. So minus a when transferred to left hand side it become plus a. Similarly, minus 5 it will as it is, and plus 7. When plus 7 goes to right hand side, this is the plus and it become in minus, so we have minus 7. Is that clear? Now in the next step, both quantity are positive, so they become added. 5a plus a, 5a plus a is equal to 6a, and this is equal to minus 5 minus 7, they also become added with negative sign, this gives minus 12. Here we can see that 6 multiplied with 8. So when 6 goes in the right hand side, it becomes divided and we have a is equal to minus 12 upon 6. 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6. 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to 12. So we have a is equal to minus 2. Let us check our answer. The given 5a plus 7 is equal to minus 5 minus 8. This is our given equation. Put a is equal to minus 2. We have 5 multiplied by minus 2 plus 7 is equal to minus 5 minus minus 2. Now solve this. 5 to the 10. Minus multiplied by plus is equal to minus. So this is minus 10 plus 7 is equal to minus 5 will remain as it is, minus 5. Minus multiplied by minus is equal to plus 2. Minus 10 plus 7, it becomes subtracted and we have 3, and the sign of greater, that is minus 3, and this is equal to minus 5 plus 2. It will also subtracted. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, sign of greater, that is minus 3. This implies left hand side is equal to right hand side. That is, our solution is correct. I think there is no problem. You will understand everything. So I hope there is no problem. The next exercise, that is the next topic, is constructing linear equation. This will be explained in the next video. If you have any problem in these two methods, you can comment in the comment section. I will clear your doubt in the next video. Thank you very much.